Want to deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to doing it safely. First, open the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon on the top right corner to open Setting and Privacy. Next, tap on See More and Account Center. Tap the Profiles and Personal Details for further process. Choose your Facebook profile that you want to delete or deactivate. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion to choose what you want to do with your account. Choose whether you want to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account, and then tap Continue. You can follow the steps that will guide you to delete or deactivate your Facebook account. And that's how you manage your account status on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.